Heading out to buy a chainsaw collection. Can't have too many chainsaws. Ain't that right, Billy?
Yep.
I want that falcon over there. And the cat. Right here.
You want to pull your light? Back it up. Those are so. When they still have the steel and the spikes in them, they're so heavy. Like, I can barely pick them up. Hey, how are you, sir? Good to see you.
Can I film this?
Absolutely. This is your world. I just live in it.
Look at all these chainsaws. And they're all mine. And Billy's.
Here's his message.
Okay, we made it back. 28. Some of them aren't really old, and some of them are really old. What brand is that?
Poulans.
Poulans, Ed.
Poulans.
Poulans, Ed. Ed, I keep telling you.
My name's Billy.
Oh, that's right, I forget. Billy who? What's that?
Poulans.
There you go. Oldies but goodies.
It's a Homelites.
Oh, that looks old. Another Poulans. All right, second layer. There's some oldies. What's that yellow one there?
Cola.
Color.
This is the heaviest one.
What is it? Huh.
I don't know if it's 3-phase or.
Isn't that an old McCullough? Quit goofing off and unload these things.
We got to take some.
Okay.
Two of these.
What kind is that?
Oh, David Bradley.
David Bradley. I think Sears sold those.
It's a 3
What'd you say about the gear?
gear driven.
Gear driven. David Bradley. What's that monstrosity?
It's a Remington
Remington.
firearms.
Let's say that?
Remington Log Master.
Golly. What's that one up there? Bow saw.
Homelites.
Homelight. Alright, what's this one? What's that say?
That's another David Bradley.
David Bradley.
Same one as that.
Okay. What was that bow saw there? What is that? It's got a flag on it. I've been to this American made. I know things like that.
Mall.
How you spell it?
M-A-L-L. Model 2 MG.
That's probably a rare one. What's that ugly one there?
That's a Homelight.
Yeah.
Same one as the Homelight.
Well, what is that in the middle? Bow saw.
Homelight.
Okay. Wait, what is this? Is this the whole thing? Looks like it's missing something. It's had a hard life. Like me.
Mall.
Oh, mall. All right.
Oh, it's got the same design as that bow saw. It's the same.
A lot of saws. Thanks for watching.
For over 30 years, people have been buying Poulans chainsaws.
Would use anything but a Poulan.
Poulans, Ed. Poulans.
And for over 30 years, they've been mispronouncing our name.
Poulan. Ho. A fool.
So we'd like to remind you that our name is Poulans. And for a tough, dependable chainsaw, Poulan is the only name you need to remember, no matter how you pronounce it.